So let's see an overview. Population. What is population? It is the total number of organisms or given species who are living in a specified region at a particular time and are capable of interbreeding. This is very important. Okay. And what is population control? It is basically a policy or a set of activities which controls the size, distribution, and growth of the population so that we achieve a steady development and we can develop sustainable development हो सके जिससे वो होता है population growth. Why is it very needed, very much needed in our countries? Because 16% of the world population है हमारे पास और land space कितना है 2.45 and above that we have only 4% of the water resources. So for us, it becomes even more important because we have become the most populated country in the world. Okay. My slides are visible here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here is what India did, what measures India took to control its population. So this is the 5-year plans. ठीक है, सारा जो है ये first है, second, and likewise I'll discuss. Okay. So the first we have to write. So the first 5-year plan, it lasted from 51 to 56. Here, India became the first developing country to launch family planning program which focused on natural methods. India became the first developing country. So ये first 5-year plan में था. Then came the second 5-year plan, which was in 1956 to 61. इसमें क्या हुआ था? There was a significant increase in family planning clinics. तो dedicated clinics रखे गए फिर. But they were mostly in urban areas. और इनका जो ओवरऑल इफेक्टिवनेस था वो थोड़ा लिमिटेड था, तो उतना सक्सेसफुल नहीं हो पाया. देन कम्स द थर्ड 5-year प्लान. यहाँ पे कॉपर टी was introduced and a separate family planning department was established. Fine. After 66, from 69 to 74, India ने क्या किया? They promoted all birth control measures because देखो 1961 to 66 कॉपर टी को इंट्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं, फैमिली प्लानिंग डिपार्टमेंट बना रहे हैं, लेकिन सारे as we know that one contraceptive method fits all, ये जो फंडा है, this is not true. एक कपल अपने किस फेज में है रिप्रोडक्टिव साइकिल के, व्हाट नीड्स, उनकी नीड्स क्या है, उस सब पे डिपेंड करके हम उनको एक फैमिली प्लानिंग मेथड दे चूज. So we help them in choosing that. We don't reinforce it on them. So this was the thing. But in the fourth 5-year plan, all birth control methods were promoted. ठीक है, both modern and conventional. Fine. अब हुआ क्या? ये जो एक्शन प्लान है, सॉरी, फिफ्थ, इसके बाद आया फिफ्थ एक्शन प्लान फ्रॉम 74 टू 79. यहाँ पे नेशनल पॉपुलेशन पॉलिसी वाज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड. की फीचर्स क्या थे इसके? लीगल एज ऑफ मैरिज फॉर बोथ द गर्ल एंड द बॉय. तो गर्ल्स के यहाँ पे 18 थे और बॉयज के 21 थे. इनका फोकस था फीमेल लिटरेसी पे, female literacy and mass media awareness फैलाने पे, and sterilization पे भी फोर्स लगाया गया था, but later it was discontinued. So basically national population policy introduced हुई. Legal age of marriage for females was 18 and for males it was 20. एक second. For male it was 21 and for female it was 18. तो ये हुआ फिफ्थ प्लान में. अब जो 6th, 7th, 8th प्लान था उसमें continued efforts to achieve the long-term demographic goals through sustained population control strategies. What were the long-term demographic goals? We will discuss in the later slide. तो socio-demographic goals को promote किया गया 6th, 7th और 8th प्लान में. Goals. जो 9th 5-year प्लान था लास्टिंग फ्रॉम 1997 to 2002, This was an expert group led by M. Swaminathan. It formed to draft the national population policy, and family planning program was renamed as Family Welfare Program. A family planning program क्या है? उसमें क्या होता है? Sorry. We will discuss in the later slides. So are we clear till here?